What's the one thing people could do this winter to support their NHS?
When somebody feels that they need some medical help, that they invest some time in trying to access the right bit of the system. So I think that you can see the emergency department as being somewhere where the lights are on, that you can access medical care. But it's not always the right place for people to go as a first point of call. It is for some people if they have things like severe chest pain or breathing problems or signs of a stroke. But for more minor conditions like things like coughs and colds, there are different options and other options available. There are services like 111 which people can access if they're not sure which part of the system to go to. They can access care in pharmacies. And so I would just ask people to spend a little bit of time trying to access the right bit of the system at the right time. And I'm not telling people who have fallen, who can't get up, that they shouldn't be coming to hospital. They definitely should be. But people who have more minor conditions consider whether coming to the hospital, to the emergency department as their first port of call is the right thing for them. When we become very busy, it means that we then start to struggle to provide care to the very sickest people. What we need is a team effort where everybody plays their part to try and make the system work as effectively for everybody as a whole.